Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic products. This is our tape. So, our Restore Solutions tape. So we have black cloth tape. Very, very competitive we are with all of our tape. Black cloth tape. We have the blue masking tape, 14-day masking tape. Fantastic product as well. 50ml, comes in a box, 48. Then we have our 90-day masking tape. So lasts a lot longer on a painted surface than any other masking tape. So check out our website for further information about our tape from Restore Solutions for any of your containment, mould, containment jobs, taping down anything you like. Fantastic. Check out our prices. Check out our price guarantee. Thanks again for watching.